So I colored my hair Cosmic Blue and this brand. And look at that, it's stain. I rubbed this one already and with soapy water. Namula na yung ano ko, kamay ko. The boys are out for breakfast and I decided to stay and pamper myself. Because you know, sometimes you need to have time for yourself and self-care. I decided to color my hair because the gray is going wild. So I'm already accepted that I'm ready to be gray. But once the gray is all over my hair, I said I'm not ready yet. Sorry, I can't talk really well because I have my cold sore and I don't think you want to see that one. Anyway, it's so sore. Look, I need to throw the oil away. I meant to do that yesterday, but anyway. I think I already threw the instruction how many minutes this one. I'm just gonna have my cereal, Energin. Great stuff. I don't know how I did that one. Oops.
D3.
Grabe yung stain. Ibig sabihin pala, matagal to mawala kung ganun. Hindi siya natanggal guys sa shower. Grabe ang tapang. Kahit ito, naligo na ako. Hindi pa siya natanggal. Yung kabila. Yung kabila, not so bad. Hindi naman siya blue. Maitim lang siya na maitim. Anyway, that salmon, ginawa ko yun kahapon. Tapos, malaki siya. Hindi naubos. Dalawa kami ni Bunso kumain. Ayun, wala na. Wala nang tira. Ubos na. Walang nasayang. Hindi na rin ako nagbihis kasi nga dito lang naman sa bahay. Gusto ko lang gawin yung gusto kong gawin sa sarili ko. Looking after yourself. I just put this cardigan kasi medyo malamig-lamig ngayon. Ito may stain pa rin oh. It's gonna be a while I think. I'm going to chill downstairs. Edit this video.